Welcome back. Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Today, we're going to be talking about Myro, the overall sentiment of Myro, the latest and greatest from their X page, and we're also going to do some price prediction and technical analysis at the end of the video. So make sure that you guys watch to the very end. Um, Also, if you're bullish on Myro, like, comment, subscribe, leave some bullish comments down below, and also join me in the Money Bags Mansion. TG is free, where I talk about Myro, I shield Myro, and all the hottest Solana plays. So make sure you guys do not miss out on that. So let's get this video started. Make sure you guys give Myro a follow at Myro, SOL. And we're going to check this out in just a bit. I got a lot of people ask me, what's good with Myro's prices? Let's check the sentiment. Let's see what's going on. And I'm going to let you guys know what I personally think is going on. We can see that the overall crypto market has went from a $1.5 trillion market cap to a $1.6 trillion market cap. So the overall crypto market has risen in price, has gone up in price. And what's happened, if you remember, when Bitcoin had pulled back to 38,000, Myro was still in the green. Now Myro's pulled back. Bitcoin's in the green. We got Bitcoin over 42,000. We got ETH over what's the price say right there? 2,300. So we got ETH over 2,300 right there. And so the money's being moved around, right? So we have to understand that I'm still bullish on Myro. This is still $1 billion project. But if you think people didn't take profits off of Myro to buy Bitcoin at 38,000, that's obviously, this is not financial advice. But people are making moves like that. And the same thing's going to happen when Bitcoin's prices and people start taking profits off of Bitcoin. What happens? It spills into the alts. And now I'm starting to call on this channel, let everybody know that the memes are the alts of the altcoins. Okay, there's no more of this meme maybe not being something or nothing. We can just stop that right now. Memes are the altcoins of altcoins. That's just what's going on. And we got this right here from Harvey. Is there a good psychologist in our Myro family? I had a crazy dream where I was bathing in green liquidity and surrounded by green candles. No idea what it means. It means relax. The green is on its way. Chillax, light some green candles. Look at these green candles around this dog. That is just fly right there. This looks soothing. It looks relaxing. You got nothing to worry about. I've been buying Myro on the dip back to back, and we can see the overall sentiment. Good price to buy. It will fly again from 14 cents. It always corrects 40% after it rises all the time. When we're correcting, right now in the day, we're down 17%. When the markets are fearful, you need to be greedy. When the markets are greedy, you need to be fearful. When the prices were pumping, everybody was all hyped up. I got some people in the comments. And every single video of Myro has been getting over 100 likes. So let's not leave this video out. Let's get over 100 likes on this one. Combat the FUD, because I even got people saying, oh, Myro's down. It's like, it barely is not even that far down. We're not that far away when you think about it in crypto prices, right? If it was somewhere else, obviously that would make some people, get kind of scared. But as far as crypto goes, this is nothing new. We've been here before, and now we see the prices of Bitcoin rising. So when we see Bitcoin prices rising, some alts pulling back, some meme coins pulling back, it's just the money being moved around. Think about the 3 red cups and that ball. The money, the bag is being moved around nonstop, taking profits. It's the same bag, just getting fatter and fatter. Okay, so we got this right here. We're going to talk about this before we get to the price prediction technical analysis, because I think it's important to remind ourselves of the narrative that we have, right? This is a fresh narrative. It's brand new. Solana's on fire. Solana has 2021 vibes. The meme coin vibes are here with Solana, no matter what the markets are doing. But this is the narrative that we have that's brand new. Unlike the other meme coins like Shiba Inu, Ryoshi no longer says anything or does anything. So that hype is gone from, if he even sneezed, that was bullish. But now we have something unique right here. So I'm going to tell you exactly what I'm talking about. So new features on Solana. Let's start right here. You can also read this news. Okay, right here. According to an announcement made on January 24th, brand new, fresh off the press, developers and projects building on blockchain can access token extension on Solana Sol. The token extension will enable developers to access specific use cases. So this is a new feature coming out to Solana. We know that we got the Solana phone, which is going to bring a lot more people who probably just like the phone and don't know nothing about these airdrops that can happen and change people's lives. So let me know down in the comments down below if you guys got one of the Solana phones. But let's go ahead and continue. This is where things get bullish with our narrative with Myro. So we got new features coming to Solana, right? That's bullish sentiment overall with Solana, the blockchain. Some of these new cases are not available on the public blockchain. The announcement indicates that the use scenarios include governance for real world assets, RWA. This is something that we're going to be talking a lot on the channel right here, RWAs, okay? And stable development. The token extension is a program that allows the creation of non-fungible tokens and the core protocol level. Anatology or Anatology, not sure who that is, or how to say the name, the CEO and co-founder of the project also commented on the development. But this right here, this brand new I can't pronounce the name right, but this new development with Solana, and anytime the founders of Solana are mentioned or the co-founder of Solana is mentioned and Raj is mentioned and there's new developments, that is marketing for the overall Solana blockchain, and people will, listen to that. People are more engagement overall. That's what we want, is more engagement. So you guys can check this out. Where, there's still some meat on the bone where you guys can check this out. But overall, I am bullish on this whole blockchain. And when it comes to Myro, we just got to notice that Bitcoin was at 38,000. Myro was pumping, and now it's changed. So, what goes up must come down. What goes down must go up. What is just leaving just showed up, and what just showed up is now leaving. So there's this number 8 sign, this infinity sign happening over and over. And right now we'll get to the prices. We'll check these out real quick. We'll talk about these prices. And, overall, I'm bullish on Myro. Still very bullish. These are, it's not financial advice. You could buy into dips. But if we look on the hour chart, we're fine. We've been here before. This is a section where we pumped up. Where we touched before, we had a support, and that's where that all-time high, came from. It came from right down here. We did lose the support. We were talking about this, right? The halfway mark, because 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, 25 cents, those psychological barriers. Same thing goes where, when you reach $1, $1.50, $2. So, we did lose that 15 cents mark, and we're gonna mark this up. I'm gonna be transparent with you guys on the channel. But nonetheless, I'm still bullish on Myro. I'm loading up my bags on the dip because I know how these things happen. I've been here before. If you're an OG to the channel, if you're a veteran to the channel, let me know down below. Or if you're just a veteran in crypto overall, and you know that these are those 2021 vibes, right? Right when it pulls back and things get quiet and people think it's done, out of nowhere, it just takes off, okay? I don't believe that Solana's on its all-time high, and I believe that Solana's going to have a lot more to come to the table, which is going to pull in a lot more new retail investors. Not many other blockchains have a cell phone that is basically interacting with the day-to-day people, right? You're going to see these cell phones eventually sold at T-Mobile stores. Anywhere that you can buy Android phones, basically, you're going to see these phones at the malls. There's not an Ethereum phone doing something like that. There's not a Bitcoin phone doing that. So there's not a Dogecoin phone doing that. So that phone, although it's not happening super fast, the more this phone continues to grow, the more people buy these phones and tell their friends, like, hey, I bought this phone and it gave me an airdrop, and now I have an extra $10,000. Other people are going to buy this phone. More people are going to come into the crypto space. So Solana has this reach that obviously has not gripped really, really tight yet, but it has a reach like no other blockchain. And I believe you just got to start to set your pieces up. This is chess, not checkers. Okay. Right now, this is where you start to set it up. When the markets are kind of bearish, you're playing a game of checkers. I take that, you take this, I take that, you take this. But right now, we're going for the checkmate. When it is time for the bull market, you start to play a game of chess. Now, when it's that bear market, you play hot potato with your bags, right? Obviously, this is not financial advice, but during the bear market, at least for myself, I'm playing hot potato, and we are playing a game of checkers. We're not thinking that deep because the market is very inconsistent. It's very fearful. It's uncertain, and it's filled with doubt. It's filled with FUD. But right now, when the markets are green, when the markets are in a bull market, in a bull run, and the overall sentiment is good for the crypto space and Myro and Solana, this is where you start to play chess. This is where you start to look for the checkmate, right? You start to position your pieces. You don't move your bags around as much. You don't worry about these things. You DCA, you dollar cost average. You get your bags positioned into projects that you're bullish on, right? You get your blue chips. You get your altcoins, you get your meme altcoins. Okay, we're gonna have to come up with something fancy with this because memes are the altcoins of the altcoins. Okay, there's no more that it has to have a utility. The main utility in this crypto space, no matter what nobody tells you, is community, because Everybody's not chasing these charts or these prices off of spec or off of the technology. Most of the time, let's be honest, it's off of speculation. The markets are very speculative right now. Now, is that going to change over time? Yes, I do believe it's going to change over time, because now we got Bitcoin proving itself and showing its face to these retail investors, becoming an ETF. So people are going to see the utility behind blockchain technology, and they're going to see that this is an advancement moving forward, just like the dot-com bubble. Okay, but right now, I'll be honest with you guys, the market is speculative, right? And right now, we're in a good place to start playing chess, bring out our rook, line up our bishop, put our bishop in a fiend kettle. Let me know if you guys play chess down below. Are there any chess players that want to load up on chess.com and have some fun games? But that's for another video, right? Let's go ahead and see our support level. We're holding right underneath the main support. So that 15 cents, right? We really want to be above that. I'm going to be honest with everybody. We want to be above that 15 cents, because traders are self-fulfilled prophecy tellers, right? And they want those psychological barriers to be conquered so they can feel more conviction that things are going in an uptrend, right? Because the trend is your friend. So we want to make sure that we're trading with the trend, or don't, because it's not financial advice. You don't have to. But on the 1 hour chart, we're looking good, right? We're at $145,000 market cap. Notice that the holder count has not gone down either, right? So the price has pulled back, but the holder count has not dropped that much. So what does that tell you? That tells you that people have sold, obviously, because the prices are down, but they have not sold their whole position. So that means that they still want to make sure that they're holding on to a Myro bag. So, reading between the lines right there, I believe that when Bitcoin most likely starts to pull back, I don't think we're going to ramp up to 50K just yet, just out of nowhere right now. There's still going to be some consolidation. It's going to take a little bit of time. If you guys want to see a Bitcoin price prediction video, or you guys want to stay in tune with prices on Bitcoin, make sure you guys tap in with that Money Bags Mansion down below. I have articles in there. It's more than just a call group in there, and it's free for everybody to use, okay? Free 99. So right now we're looking at getting above this 15 cent zone and going back to attack the 20 cents. Let's erase these right here. This channel is a little cluttered. When we had a little bit more action, it was okay, but this looks a lot better. Okay, so we're between this 15 cents and going to that 20 cents zone, right? Those psychological barriers, that's where they're important. We can see that we touched these before, so it's important to keep an eye on these. So getting above that 15 cent zone, holding above there. Let's see if we can do it. I believe that we can. Just be patient, and where we can rock back up. Obviously we've been in this downtrend for a while. The market's overall pulled back, but I think once those profits are made off of Bitcoin again, those profits are made off of ETH again, off of Sol, I believe they'll pour right back into Myro, and people snatch these positions up, because Myro's not even that old. We're still very, very fresh. Came out November 9th. So the day after my birthday, Myro was out. So Myro's a Scorpio like me. Let's do it. So Myro got some potential. That's for a fact. All right, so we're going up. We got going up to the 15 cent zone, breaking past into the 20s again. Those are the prices that we have. I'm still very bullish on Myro. We just have to stay calm, do what we've been doing as far as our socials, getting these videos to over 100 likes so the YouTube algorithm spreads the word for us. Making sure that not just my YouTube videos, any YouTube video you see out there about Myro is for our bag. So go ahead and interact and engage with that, in a positive way, and leave bullish comments. When it comes to the X page on Myro, make sure you guys come over here, like and retweet everything going on with Myro. This is for our bag. So let's go ahead and check this out while we're here, right here. Rodney holding it down for Myro nonstop, back to back. The ticker is Myro for sure. We got Myro in Dubai. So next all-time high will be epic. Yeah, the candle's going to look like that. Absolutely. I totally feel that, it's going to sneak up on everybody. Here goes Harvey right here. Big shout out to Harvey. Let's give Harvey a big shout out. Harvey's holding it. This is the type of community member you want to be. No matter what the markets are doing, Harvey over here on CoinMarketCap. Where we at over here on X? Harvey holding it down. Got 400. Make sure we give Harvey a follow. Harvey's holding it down. Big shout out to Harvey. Let Harvey know Rico Moneybags said what's up. Make sure you guys give me a follow at Rico Moneybags as well. This guy not only has, this is awesome, 27,000 followers right there, and still as active as any other subscriber member or any other follower on X should be, over here leaving bullish posts, staying active on all socials. This is how you work for your bag, and you keep pushing it no matter what. So big shout out to Harvey Dent. Let's go ahead and continue to push this one as well. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. push these videos out. Let's get over 100 likes. I know we will. So one of the other videos are already almost close to 200 likes, almost 2,000 views. I mean, we're doing what we're supposed to be doing. Let's continue to build. Let's keep our sentiment right. We got new developments as far as Solana going, right? Solana's still looking good. We got new things coming out for Solana that's going to help us. You know, when Solana gets all this hype and all this pumping talk and, you know, new projects coming out to Solana, new ideas coming out to Solana, people are going to look for Myro. They're going to find their home. Myro is the dog for Solana. No matter what, it can hold the crown and be the king, just like Shiba Inu is the king for that side of things on the ETH blockchain. Myro is that king for Solana, and we can make history right here and print tons of millionaires because we are still very early when it comes to Myro, cruising at $106 million market cap when we can get up to 5 billions, 10 billions. It could really happen with a project like this. We're in the bull market, not yet in the bull run, but you guys will see when we're walking around, floating around on our toes, and there's stardust everywhere. That's when the bull runs in, and we'll be at $1 billion market cap. You guys continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is.